my channel. It's your girlie Ann Anderson. If you are new here, please click that subscribe button and support me. Yes, so as you can see in today's video, I did like a greenish makeup look, and I was really inspired by my top. It looks kind of blue in the camera, but it is green, and I'm really loving this makeup look and this hairstyle that I did myself. I will do a video of how I did this hairstyle in the next video. So let me show you how I did this makeup look. Yes. Now guys, I don't know if you can tell, I got some new lighting going on and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. But please let me know down in the comments what you all think of this lighting. But as time goes on, I'll be improving. So first things first, I'm applying this Huda Beauty primer. And I love applying this primer before I put my foundation, because it just makes the foundation come smoothly on my skin. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just going to apply some on my face, and then I'm going to go in with my Just Be Gorgeous foundation. Y'all know I'm obsessed with this foundation, and I'm using this foundation and I'm going to apply it on my face, and I'm going to apply it with something very special, my new Shimmer beauty blender. I'm so excited, guys. Like, I finally got some proper makeup equipment. So I'm just applying this foundation, and guys, with this lighting, I'm really happy because you can actually see my true complexion and how dark I am. Yes, how dark I am. So I'm really happy with this new lighting, guys. Please let me know in the comments. So I'm really blending in and making sure that I apply the foundation enough, and to make sure that I cover all my dark marks as well. Now guys, I'm really taking my time to put on my foundation on my face because I really want to make sure I cover all the dark marks. And guys, let me tell you something, this foundation is amazing. Like, look, it literally looks like my skin color. Next, I'm just brushing my eyebrows so that I can do my eyebrows, and when I'm done brushing them, I'm going to go in with my black Opal Eyebrow pencil, and I'm going to use the black color pencil like always to draw my eyebrows. And as you all know, I like to follow the shape of my own eyebrows because I feel like that's what works for me. So I'm doing my eyebrows. Now guys, I have to tell you something. Never ever do this. Like, I literally made a mistake. Like, it was like crazy. But anyways, you're supposed to start with your eyebrows, then go in with the foundation. But I totally forgot. So I will do it properly in the upcoming videos of how to do makeup properly. I'm gonna do that for y'all guys. But anyways, we can always experiment and try new things with, you know, makeup. Discover new ways how to apply it and so on. So now that I've drawn my eyebrows, I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows and just color them in. Yeah, sort of color them in or fill them in. Yeah. Now I'm just finishing up to fill in my eyebrows, but once I'm done doing this, I'm going to go in with my brush and I'm going to start brushing like the beginnings of my eyebrows so that it has this nice faded start look to it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just going to do that before I go in with my concealer. Next, I'm going in with my Pro Concealer. Yes, guys, you need concealer to do your eyebrows. Like, yeah, so I'm going to apply some on my hand, and as I apply some, I'm just going to use the brush that's on the bottle, and I'm going to shape my eyebrows in the way I want them to. Now guys, when you do your eyebrows, you really need concealer because concealer really just covers all your mistakes, and you know, but you know, I had to really do a lot of blending so that this concealer is really covered up, because I didn't start with doing my eyebrows, because usually the foundation is the one that, you know, covers the concealer, and for it to not be shown, you know what I mean? So I'm just now making sure I apply enough concealer and shaping my eyebrows. Now I really like to take my time to do my eyebrows because guys, When people look at your face, the first thing they're gonna notice is your eyebrows. Yes, your eyebrows, because if your eyebrows are messed up, trust me, the whole makeup look is messed up. So I'm really taking my time to do my eyebrows, and I really like to show you guys and take my time to show you how I do my eyebrows, so that y'all can be motivated to try and, you know, practice to do your eyebrows. Like, I know, guys, the first time you do eyebrows, it's not going to be perfect, but you have to practice, and if you practice, the better you become. So now I am taking this small brush and I'm just, you know, trying to blend the concealer. And yeah, as I did the, you know, concealing thing, applying the concealer, you can see that I kind of gave myself a unibrown. But it's okay. I'm gonna fix it up with this small brush. I'm just gonna part it in the way I want it. Like, yeah. So next I'm going in with my new eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with the black color eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply this eyeshadow on my crease. Now I firstly want to start off with black, because I feel like black gives this nice dark smoky look when I mix it with green. So I'm firstly applying the black on my crease. Once that is done, I'm going in with my new eyeshadow palette called LaFemme Eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, we are finally using the new eyeshadow palette that I got. I'm so excited, guys. So I'm gonna open it up and I'm going to use this darkish brightish green color. I'm gonna use the green color, and I'm also gonna mix it with the black on my crease so that it looks like I'm going to dark green to a lighter green. So I'm gonna apply this nice dark green, and I'm gonna apply it on my crease as well. Now I'm really taking my time because I really want the green and the black to blend well together. Next, I'm going into my other eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking the green color that's there, and I'm using this green because it really goes well with my blouse. So I'm going to apply this as well on my crease, and, you know, I'm going to mix that, you know, blend that all together, and we're going to have a perfect eye look. And I'm also going to apply it on my bottom eyelid, because I really want it to look like I applied some eyeliner as well. So I'm going to apply that as well on my bottom eyelid. Next, I'm going to go in with my mesmerizing eyeliner gel, and I'm just applying it on my eyelid, and I'm just gonna draw a proper wing so that it looks really nice, you know, just to add a look to it, you know. Once I'm done putting on my eyeline, I'm going to go in with my Revlon mascara, and I'm going to apply the mascara on my eyelashes before I go in and put my new eyelashes. Okay, now guys, it's time to put on my new eyelashes, and I'm so excited. So firstly, I'm applying glue. Yes, they are not the magnetic eyelashes, the ones you have to apply glue. So I'm putting in and I'm going to apply it on my eyelashes. Now guys, I will do a video of how to apply your eyelashes, but I will do that later because I'm still new to this, because it really took me a good 20 minutes to just put on my eyelashes because I was really struggling. I didn't know how to do it. If I put it underneath or on top, it was complicated, but eventually I got it and I'm loving my new look. Like, I've never put on lashes like this, which makes it super cool. It was really exciting but also frustrating that it took me a while. But anyways, this is how I look with lashes, y'all. Like, check that out, guys. Check that out. Yay. I was really shocked of how I looked like with lashes, but anyways, it was good. Next, I'm going in with my Create Your Own compact powder, and I'm gonna apply this powder on my cheeks and on my forehead, just to, you know, because as you can see, my face is a little bit oily, so I was just like, you know, let me add some powder to just kind of make my face look less oily. So I'm just applying some powder, and I'm really gonna take my time to apply this powder because I really want it to blend in with my foundation. Next, I'm going in with my rice powder. Yes, my favorite rice powder. And I love applying rice powder on my face because it kind of makes my makeup look matte and look good. So I'm going to apply some rice powder on my face, and I'm really going to take my time to, you know, apply this powder. And I'm really going to take my time as well just to blend this powder because this powder can really look white on your face. So I'm really going to make sure I blend well on the places that I know will be oily during the day. So I'm applying the powder on my cheeks, on my forehead, on my nose, and that's what I'll be doing. And I'm gonna keep blending and blending and blending and blending and blending till it looks good, because as you can see, it kind of looked white, but it will work. It will work. You know, this lighting really just shows everything, but if you really look at the makeup just generally, it looks amazing. But anyways, this powder just really works on my skin, just, you know, to avoid it from being oily during the day, because I have really oily skin, which is really annoying. But yeah, the powder really does work on my skin, so that's what I'm doing. Next, I'm going in with this Essence makeup drops, and I really like applying this on my forehead and on my cheeks and on my nose, because it's not really my shade color, but it's almost my shade, and I'm just using it on top of the powder so that, you know, the powder doesn't really show that much and make my face look white. So this foundation just, you know, it helps to just, you know, cover up. It's almost like a foundation in my way. In a sense, it is a foundation to me, because it just helps me cover that white from the powder and makes my face really look matte throughout the day. Now I'm really going to take my time just to blend all of this in. Now guys, I'm really taking my time to blend this makeup, guys. The key to having a perfect makeup look is blending and blending and blending and blending and blending and blending. You need to blend. Take your time blending your skin. It's really important, guys. Look how flawless this makeup look looks. Like, you can't even see really my dark marks. They really covered up, and I'm so happy. Next, I am going in with my Colors Limited blusher and bronzer, and I'm so excited with this new lighting. You can literally see you can really see my blush. You can literally see the blush. It is so amazing, guys. But this blush is really like bright. So after I'm done applying the blush, I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend out the foundation. I'm really gonna blend out the blush. Once I'm done blending this blush, I'm now going to apply my mesmerizing eyeliner gel on my lips, and I'm going to use it as a liner for my lips. So I'm just applying that, and once I'm done doing that, I'm just going to rub my lips. Once that is done, I'm going to apply my KT Matte lipstick. Now I'm going to apply this just in between, not on the black liner, but on, in between, and I'm just gonna blend that with the liner with my mesmerizing gel. I'm just gonna apply some and I'm gonna blend that up. Guys, look at that. This is beautiful. It really just makes your lips look a bit bigger and pretty. But once that is done, I'm just going to go in with an old lip gloss. I would have shown you the product and the type of lip gloss it is, but it is messed up. But I'm just applying some lip gloss. You can use any lip gloss, you guys. You can use any lip gloss just to add some shine on my lips. And this is the final look, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up for me, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and support your girl. I just want to thank everyone who's been watching my videos and supporting me. I really appreciate you guys so much, and see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.